In this video, we'll explore general average versus weighted averages. Now, when often we do grades, we give each category a different weight. Tests often are worth the most, quizzes are second, homework third. Maybe we have a category for classwork or projects or something else. Now, if we just took the average of our grades as they were, we could come in here to Excel and use the average formula and just highlight all our data. And that would give us our average. But we don't want homework 5 to be worth the same amount as test 1. So what we have to do is we have to create category averages first and then weight them all together. So if I look at my test average, that would be taking the average of my two tests. So test 1 and test 2. Then maybe I want to do the average of my quizzes. And now I'm going to highlight quiz 1, quiz 2, and quiz 3. And then I want the average of my homeworks. And that would be homework 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, if I want to use my weighted average, I then have to put that into perspective. So I want 10% of the homework. 10% is 0.1 times, I use the asterisk, the homework, plus 0.35 times the quiz average, plus 0.55 times the test average. And that gives me all the parts I want. So you can see that the general average was an 89, but the weighted average comes out as an 88, and it can be an even larger discrepancy. So if I take all 5 of those columns and I highlight them, and I'm going to go down and look at all my grades now. I don't have to do it over again. I can just click and drag and all the formulas will come out. I can now look at the differences here. 88, 91, 84 to an 81, an 82 to a 78, or an 80. So you've got all these differences because of understanding that we need to use the weighted average.